Dear friends of media, only 10 days left and the 49th International Kolkata Book Fair will be inaugurated on 22nd of January 2026 at 4 p.m. Boimela Prangon, Salt Lake by our Honorable Chief Minister, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, in presence of Mr. Gustavo Canzobar, eminent author of Argentina, His Excellency Mr. Mariano Agustin Calcino, Ambassador of Argentina in India, as special guests of honor, along with our authors,
লিলি বিউটি সোপ, যার অ্যান্টি এজিং গুণ তারুণ্য ধরে রেখে ত্বককে করে উজ্জ্বল। তারুণ্যময় উজ্জ্বল ত্বকের জন্য
Remark.
dignitaries and honorable ministers of our state. The following are the highlights of this year's International Kolkata Book Fair. There will be 1,000 plus participants in the IKBF 2026. Senior Citizens Day, Chiro Torun, will be celebrated on 30th January. Children's Day will be celebrated on the 1st February 2026. There will be 9 entry and exit gates in the IKBF. 2 gates will be based on Argentine architecture. There will be gates in the name of Profulla Roy, Protul Mukhopadhyay, who left us in the near past to commemorate 125th birth year of Shailajananda Mukhopadhyay, eminent author. Another gate will be named after him. The Little Magazine Pavilion will be named after poet Rahul Purokayastho.
লিলি বিউটি সোপ, যার অ্যান্টি এজিং গুণ তারুণ্য ধরে রেখে ত্বককে করে উজ্জ্বল। তারুণ্যময় উজ্জ্বল ত্বকের জন্য।
Remark.